Worldly methods replace fellowship. There often is the adoption of various methods to bring and maintain people in a church organization, not as saints, sisters, and brothers in Christ Jesus, but methods which promote businesses or that identify with the entertainment world, methods which do not feed the emptiness of the needy soul to belong to the Lord as a family member. Matthew 12:50. For whosoever shall do the will of my Father which is in heaven, the same is my brother and sister and mother. Philippians 3:18 through 19. For many walk, of whom I have told you often, and now tell you even weeping, that they are the enemies of the cross of Christ, whose end is destruction, whose God is their belly, and whose glory is in their shame, who mind earthly things.